Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. See, last class we discussed what is the definition of analytical geometry or coordinate geometry. Okay, and also we consider xy plane. XY plane means the x-axis and y-axis together forms xy plane, or else another form 2D geometry. And also we know that the position of the point P of xy on this plane, and we know that if we want to find out the position of the point, we have to draw a perpendicular line along both x-axis as well as y-axis. We refer this one as x and it is y, and this one we call it as axis of height or x coordinate, and next this is y, we call it as y coordinate or ordinate. Okay, last class we discussed this one, and also we discussed signs of coordinates. Right? Signs of coordinates. This is first quadrant plus plus, second quadrant minus plus, third quadrant minus minus, fourth quadrant plus minus. Okay, this is what we studied, learn the introduction part of analytical geometry. Okay, now today we will discuss the distance formula. As you know, already studied in SSLC, just revision we are doing because the continuation is there in your syllabus in first year. Distance formula. Okay, for that we have to calculate distance between two points. Distance between two points. Okay, we have to calculate distance between two points. For that we consider xy plane, say x0, x dash, and it is y0, y dash. Okay, how many number of points mentioned here? 2 points. Take 2 points on the xy plane. Say this is A point and this is, you can consider, B point. 2 points in the plane. Next, consider this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. 2 points. And join line segment AB. Okay, means we have to calculate distance between 2 points A to. Okay, next draw perpendicular distance along which axis? X axis. Say it is L, M. Okay, next draw AN perpendicular to B. And next see OL, the distance OL lies on which axis? X axis. Therefore we consider x coordinate. See, the L coordinate is A, their corresponding x value is what here? x1. Next O to M along x axis. Therefore O to M, the distance value, see the M coordinate, the M where which consider B point, the corresponding x coordinate is what here? x2. Okay, and next see here AL. See AL parallel to which axis? Y axis. Means naturally this is which coordinate? Y coordinate. Therefore the y coordinate A point is y1. Next B to M. B to M is also parallel to which axis? Y axis. Therefore, the distance of B to M, see, y coordinate is y coordinate. Okay. Distance always measured parallel to the axis. Okay. Next, we want to find out the distance from A to B. Correct. And see, this is A and B. A and B. A and B forms 90 degree. If it is a 90 degree, according to Pythagoras theorem, we know that according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AN square plus BN square. AB square is equal to AN square plus BN square. AB square is equal to AN square plus BN square. Okay. Next, we have to calculate the distance of A to N. Now, we have to calculate distance of A to N. See, A to N. See, A to N is exactly equal to LM. A to N is exactly equal to LM. Therefore, we can write LM. Okay. And next, concentrate LM. Please concentrate here. LM. LM can be written as, just concentrate, LM can be written as OM minus OL. LM can be written as OM minus OL. Next, see, AN is equal to LM. Correct. LM can be written as, see, just concentrate, OM minus OL. Means if you subtract, we get it is LM only. O to M minus OL will get LM. And O to M is X2. O to N, X1. X2 minus X1. Next, BN. Correct. BN. See, BN can be written as BM. Just consider BM minus NM. BM minus NM. BM, correct, minus, just concentrate, NM. NM is exactly equal to AN. NM is exactly equal to AN. What is the distance of BM? BM is Y2 and AN is Y. Y2 minus Y. Okay, means we can write AN is X2 minus X1, means we can write AB square is equal to X2 minus X1 the whole square. BN is Y2 minus Y1 the, or distance between 2 points AB is root of X2 minus X1 the square plus Y2 minus Y1 the. This is the distance formula. Distance between how many number of points? 2 points. Okay. Are you understood? ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂತೀರಿ? 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ? 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನ x1 y1 ಅನ್ನೋನು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇರುವುದ ಅಥವಾ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇರೋದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ? x2 y2 ಅನ್ನೋಣ್ರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಎ ಎಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಎಲ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹೌದಾ? ನಂತರ ಓ ಟು ಎಲ್ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೈತಪ್ಪ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್, ಏತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಏತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಏನೈತಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓ ಟು ಎಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇನಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ಓ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ನಾಗ ಐತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಓ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? ಈ ಬಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಏನೈತಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಟು ಎಲ್. ಎ ಟು ಎಲ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ? ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಸ್. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೋರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ A to L ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು y ಆಕ್ಸಸ್. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಈ A L ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ರೀ, y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್. ಈ A y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ y. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ B to M ಅದನ್ನ ಹೌದಾ, B to M ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಐತ್ರಿ, y ಆಕ್ಸಸ್ಸಿಗೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರಿ, y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್, y2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ANB. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ANB ಹೌದಾ. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಏನದ ರೀ, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್. therefore AB square is equal to AN square plus BN square ಹೌದಾ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ AN ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ, LM. AN ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, LM. LM ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, OM ಮೈನಸ್ OL. ಈ OM ಒಳಗೆ OL ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, LM ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ OM ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, x2, OL ಅಂದ್ರೆ x1, x2 ಮೈನಸ್ x1. ಅರ್ಥ ಐತ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ BN BN ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, BM ಮೈನಸ್ LM. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ BM ಒಳಗೆ LM ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, BN ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. BM ಮೈನಸ್ LM. ಬಟ್ LM ಈಗ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಐತಿ, AL. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು LM ಏನೋ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, AL ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ BM ಮೈನಸ್ AL. BM ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, 1 AL ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುವ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಹೌದಾ. x2 ಮೈನಸ್ x1. AN ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, x2 ಮೈನಸ್ x1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. BN ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, y2 ಮೈನಸ್ y1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ AB ಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ ಹೌದಾ. AB is equal to ಏನಂದ್ರಿ, ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x2 ಮೈನಸ್ x1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ y2 ಮೈನಸ್ y1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, or distance between how many number of points, 2 points in the which plane, xy plane. I think everyone understood. Now we'll take example. Find the distance. Find the distance between 2 points. First one, 1 to 5, 6. Second one, 3, 4, 1, 2. Third one, 5, 6, 5, 7. Okay. Now we have to calculate distance between 2 points. First one, 1 to 5, 6. Okay. Solution. Take this is A point. This is B point. Now you consider these points are x1, y1, and these points are x2, y2. Apply the distance formula. As you know, distance of AB is equal to, okay, root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. That is nothing but x2 minus x1, 5 minus 1 whole square. y2 minus y1, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 whole square. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. 4 square. 6 minus 2, 4 square. Means root 16 plus 16. Root 32. Correct. Next, this can also be written as root of 16 into 2. 16 perfect square is what? 4. Therefore, we can write distance between 2 points is AB. 4 root. Okay. In this way, we can write. Simple example. Okay. I hope understood everyone. Very simple example is we are considering the 2 points A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2. Okay. And substitute we get the this. Okay. Next example. Next example is given 3, 4 and 1, 2. Okay. And we call it as these points are x1, y1. These points are x2, 1, 2. Or this is A point. This is B point. Okay. Please don't neglect that continuation is there in your PU syllabus. Remember that. x2 minus x1 means 1 minus 3 whole square. y2 minus y1 means 2 minus 4 square. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square. 2 minus 4 minus 2 square. 4 plus 4. Correct. 4 plus 4 is what? Root 8. Root 8 means 4 into 2. Means we can write root 4 is a perfect square of 2. Therefore we can take outside 2 root 2. Okay. In this way we can calculate. Next one. Third one. I will give homework. Please try this example in home. Very simple example. I hope understood everyone. Distance formula. Okay. That is, the formula is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Distance between 2 points is root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Please remember this formula. Okay. And you can also write this formula as just concentrate. We'll take negative sign. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇರೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬಂತ -1 ತೆಗಿತೀರಾ. -1 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ x1 minus x2. x1 minus x2 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಇದು -x1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಏನು ಬಂತ್ರಿ x2 minus x1 square minus common ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next here also you can take minus and common. We get this y1 minus y2 square. The whole square. Hoda? Means this is nothing but -1 square. -1 square andre ಏನು? See, root of -1 square means what it is? root 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. ಹೋದ? -1 square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? value positive 1 means this is 1. Means x1 minus x2 whole square. This is also 1. You can write y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay. Means the distance formula we can write AB can also be what? x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Any one you can remember, either first one or this one. Both are similar. Okay? Very understood. And based on that, I have given examples. Okay? Next, we will take distance of a point P from the origin. Distance of a point P of xy from the origin. Okay, means let us consider P point is xy. Okay, this is x-axis, y-axis. P point you can consider P of xy. Origin point, this is origin point. You can say O point is 0, 0. Okay, if you want to find out a distance, we draw a perpendicular line PM along which axis? X-axis. Therefore, naturally this distance O to M. O to M lies on which axis? X-axis. Naturally, the distance of O to M corresponding point P is what here? X. Next, P to M. P to M parallel to which axis? Y-axis. Therefore, this value become. Okay. Next. Now we have to calculate distance of OP. Okay. P of xy from the origin. Distance of OP. See, according to Pythagoras theorem, triangle OPM forms right angle triangle. We can apply Pythagoras theorem, that is OP square is equal to PM square plus OM square. Means what is our PM? PM is pi square, OM is x square. Okay, this is OP square. or you can rewrite x square plus y square. This is OP square, or OP is root of x square plus y square. Therefore, distance P of xy from the origin, distance P of xy from the origin is root of x square plus y square. For example, if I take, find the distance between 2 points. Okay, find the distance between 2 points. First one, P 1, 3 and Q 0, 0. Dimension, find the distance PQ. PQ is, if it is from the origin, there are two methods we can apply. Either x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, or else the formula is there, that is x square plus y square. What we consider this one is x and this is y. What is our x? 1. Y is 3, means we can write directly 1 square plus 3 square, that is 1 plus 9 root 10. Okay, note distance of a point P of xy from the origin, formula ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದ್ರಿ, root of x square plus y square ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ P1, 3 Q 0, 0 ಕೊಟ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಾರದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ನ ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ ರೀ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ P 5, 2 and Q 0, 1. I hope understood everyone. Okay, thank you.